Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to review your system properties, that is the amount of RAM and operating system groups, many other things. So let's start. First you have to click on start button, then go to control panel. Here you can see all the options of control panel. You will have to click on system and security. Now you will see, you want to see your system properties, like here the option name system. You have to click on view amount of RAM and processor speed. You will have to click here. Now you can see all the information about your operating system. Here you can see the Windows edition. It is Windows 7 Ultimate Copyright, and that is ratings. System rating is not available right now. And processor here, installed RAM, system type and group, and here the Windows is activated. So here you can change your settings from Action Center, change user control settings. You can change here settings. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.